Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Hey guys, let's just unpack on a case Let's we're trying to continue with the loopholes and everything that has happened. It's Bugela, Amanga, and all of that. Judge Emma Skuman rule and give judgment on Omotoso, Timothy Omotoso, le evangelisti engekho right yaseNigeria afika la yenza uqhophololo yavula isonto yenza ingane izinto 63 counts guys bese uthi no I cannot find anything eyenza ukuthi lo muntu aqhubeke nokuhlala ejele. Emma Skuman if umuzwe kahle ublame iNPA athi there wasn't proper investigation that they did and she does not believe anything that the state is saying. Athi the accused in our case ke laba abawu-5 ngeke basoze baze bakwazi ukuyimela ecourt and say and try and prove themselves ukuthi we didn't do this, and they've been trying to prove themselves. Pinky Vitalingam has said it to say those people are not even near Kelukumalo's house in an innocence. They've been trying. So she's trying to explain the defense has tried. In our case again, sense of me, we're not in the Omotoso. Just we took away some things there from Omotoso. Ha ganti injena into, you know. So I tell the oh, accused but that's not even looked at. It's like no, Judge Rat has made his ruling. I'm sure he's like, laba 5 bazobolela ejele. So busy uRatha uhleli laphana ulalele nje amanga every day and ayikho into ayenzayo. Fine Emma Skuman guys has been criticized and into yakhe they are looking into it ukuthi yebo wesisi ukuthatha wena lokho ukuthi ene release a person who's been in jail for 8 years ongekho right with 63 counts, all of them 63 counts dropped. Ngeke sisi, there's something wrong there. Uyayibona lonto le. But she's like, and also ngeke azazimele yena and be like ngayenza ngempela lento mina. So state isilulekile ukungitshela ukuthi ena senzeni. So lapho kublame wabani iNPA. In our case, isn't it the same thing? Or Baloyi, George Baloyi noGininda babehlele DPP baqamba amanga angithi because bayekiwe bona. uRatha knows very well ukuthi phela this is hokwasha amanga lapho. How is it that these people ngempela bambulala uSenzomeyi kunini phindelelwa in court ngitshelwa ukuthi no labantu akukaze basondele. Vodacom Express has come here to tell me ukuthi labantu azange baze bayenze lento la. But uRatha uyakholwa konke ke lokho. Emma Skuman uchithe izinto manje babhizi nabamdonso Emma Skuman. They're not playing with her. Because mina in any case ke vele I really believe into ye ukuthi uMotoso wazenza lezi zinto. Wayenzana labo sisi abawu2 ahamba napho. Uyabona labo sisi abawu2 ahlezi nabo ikho accused zakhe. Labantu abekho right. They are the ones that way taking these children bazise kwakhe emhlanga azenza izinto ezingane lo. Baba lo sekakhulu uMotoso. Izwa ukuthathini Emma Skuman at the end. Athi therefore I don't find the accused guilty of anything. So ngaleyo ndlela I'm dropping all the charges. Athi the accused sasingekho sidingo sokuthi bona as accused prove their innocence to the court. It's not their job. With us in Senzomeyi's case, yayikho indlela phela umshwalela abangazamile ngayo kusho ukuthi hayibo, this is why we here thina simele labantu aba5 akazi benze next. Do you think uRatha uyayizwa indlela yonto kuba ke zona uthi kuthiwani? So athi Emma Skuman, the state has not proved the case beyond reasonable doubt. Isn't it the same as lapana kuthina kuSenzomeyi? Istate guys kunini uBaloyi guys ngaze ngasho last thing ngathi uBaloyi baze bafaka iconcrete idefense bemgqiba uleke vuka. He keeps on coming back. Athi lalela angeke. Yakhumula ngathi khona la ngathi khona die hard uBaloyi. Ngeke akafa. It's like ngeke mina ngeke angifuna nokwazi because watshelwa wahlatswa phansi kwathi lalela fanele siwine at all costs. Asinandaba ukuthi what you do there. Singeni nowhere thina. So uyazi nje guys ukuthi this is so unfair. The lies that we are sitting for there in the court day in, day out. Yikho ngithi angazi kanjani on the 14th can things turn around. We are so exhausted. Sikhathele. Okay, guys, let's just give it to her, Kelly, just as much as mina nami, I'm one of the people who have actually criticized her immensely. Usisi aposte-ke uThingo, ingane yabo benoSenzo Meyiwa, iyadlala ibhola. I've noticed Mama last year ukuthi was actually a video that I did on News Galo about ukuthi uThingo udlala ibhola. Guess what? Utingo is actually a goalkeeper. I'm just like, I am done. Imagine. Okay, labhali things like, hey, awazi ukuthi ngijabule kanjani. Kusho they went to watch the match, where she was a goalkeeper and all of that. Thanking people basically who have helped her to become who she is around soccer, basically. So she was just saying things like, ngiyababonga bonke abantu who've been there for me, and the coach that has helped Utingo to be this person in soccer, and my loss has become victory. I'm like, I was just, I was just like, let me just leave it. Let's give it to her, simshayele izandla, and give her flowers, and be like, you know what? uNkulunkulu usebenza ngezinye indlela. How it has happened, it is crazy, guys. Ukuthi ingane goalkeeper. I'm just like, how? I'm just like, God does other things in life. So I'm just looking at Lento kaThingo ngithi hayibo. Thingo goalkeeper. Senzo waye goalkeeper. Kwenzakalani? And bathi uyathanda ibhola akezwa next. Mase kufanele you practice and all of that. I'm just like, wow. Nje, I mean, they were in a shock ngakhona. Kelly, the legacy continues. Thank you, Coach Tumi. I think Tumi, the coach, no Moira, like the people who are involved, basically helping the daughter with soccer. Thank you for taking care of my Busby. #SoccerMoms. I was like, wow. And uzisholokwa ngokwakhe uKelly wasibhalela yena wathi nje buka ukuthi and what generics can do. Buka manje ingane has turned out to be Senzo basically in another level. Uyakhumbula kuKelly I did say last month ukuthi usenalento. It was mostly though on my other channel, News Galo for Days. Please guys check it out, News Galo for Days. I normally do post it here on What's the Tea as well, where I said last month uKelly Khumalo usenalento nje of going on live, right, and speak, where they had like asibe ukuthi nje misunderstanding, some family matter, where uZandile Khumalo wayencoma uChristian ingane kaJub noKelly le ndalo ukuthi umbone eqabulana nomlungu esikoleni, right, waseyamncoma lapho noJub wangenelela, oh my boy has grown mama ini, and uKelly leyo nto yamkwatisa kanjani manje ke after the story sikaThingo umntana wabo benoSenzo Meyiwa, she's explaining le nto ukuthi yazi abantu akekele she'll say big things, big words, things like, yeah, so nje abantu nje they will go after you and they've failed to do stuff to you, they've sent you things, they've tried to do stuff to you, manje bazongenelela ey'nganeni, so bazokuzama ngey'ngane. So I'm just like, hayi usesho uZandile wakubo ke manje kuthi uSuzandile asinayo access futhi ye-account yakhe ku-Instagram, vele kuthiwa they did unfollow each other, ending shino nalapha ku-News Galo, because News Galo mostly is about celebrities. So I did explain there ukuthi they did unfollow each other. So she's saying ke manje ke kekela yangizwa, hey, but ukuthi ukhuluma ngoZandile Khumalo uyazi mina sometimes I even say hayi soka abalwe until they tell us what happened. Lokulwa kwabo is not necessarily helping us. Thina we just wanna know ukuthi kwenzakalani kuphela kuSenzo Meyiwa. Thina sihamba nje nale, we're not backing down, we're not moving, siya phambili nje ngalento ukuthi sicela nje justice for Senzo. So she's saying stuff there, things like ayisuka uthole nje abantu kade bekuzama khona manje ke sebezongenelela ingane. Hayi ke in any case ke I don't care about that, ukhona umthandazo, which is the truth anyways guys. We pray for our children every day. Athi uma ngale nje iy'ngane they misbehaving, iy'ngane ziyashintsha, they having outbursts, iphupha kabi ebusuku, iphupha aba-right beyidlisa. I'm just like, awangeke, okay, it goes too far, guys. It's a lot. It's a lot of things to say. On social media, I'm just like, awasizingeke, sifike nini lapho? Uma ngale nje ingane i-aggressive endlini iyahlanya ingane, bayenza izinto. Athi uma ngale nje ingane ukuthi yindaba iphethwe yini, kanti osathane are pulling strings ey'nganeni, benza iy'ngane izinto, bathumele iy'ngane izinto. Athi normalize praying for your children cause abantu they are casting spells ey'nganeni just to get to you. Athi normalize praying for your children, cover them with prayer. Babiyele ngomthandazo. Hayi uzowasho ngesiZulu. Usisi phela futhi yena okhuliswa ugogo wakhe ngapha ko-Bergville uKelly. Explainer even nangesiZulu. Wayichaza nje kahle ukuthi babiyele uNkulunkulu wami ngomthandazo. She was like basically praying now. Praying out ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngincede. Ngoba vele naye uthwele bakuthi kunini nathi sithi hey wena hey simdodza hey asinandaba sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani owabulala Senzo. And lokho mina nje kahle hle lokho ngikufuna from uKelly vele. I've never seen it ukuthi fanele ngikufune kubanga ngifuna kuKelly uma wakhe noZandile about these 3 people ngoba indle yabo leya yana seFosross isiphaza shop esabo, they must be the ones to tell us. So she continues to say ukuthi hey cover them, bathandazele abantwana bakho ngoba abantu bazokuzama bazokutrya abantu. That's why ngithi let's give it to her, naye deserve ama-flowers ngelinye ilanga. Athi ngoba hayi ikhali iphukile zonke beyiphonsa kumina, so sebezozama iy'ngane zami, so ngizothandaza ngiqobe nokuthandaza. Ayikhulumile-ke lapho. This is why ngithi hayi asimnikeze akabamba ama-flowers, kodwa that's not the point for us, especially for me nje. I think even other mhlambe YouTubers abenza le case thina, our thing is that can we just get justice for Senzo Bheki guys? eMaskumane eyikhulumela into zakhe naye release abantu abangebona-ke nje abantu bokurelease-wa-ke guys kahleni. As what I even said to myself, no, Timothy Omotos, mina, if I was him, if he says he's turning 67 in July, mina ngabe ngivele ngahamba guys ngayikhaya. The following day I was gonna go to Nigeria. I wasn't even gonna look back. Ngihambele ngingabheki ngingaze ngideportwe even. Bengizozi hambela. I was not gonna look back. Hayi lo baba usakhona ke South Africa uhleli. Njengoba there's talks zokuthi they are looking at his case, i-Minister of Justice ithi Monday I want answers from people. Yeah, ubhizi kuba busy ne-NPA, ubhuti lo might be re-arrested. Ngishilo kwenye video yami last week ngathi lo uzoboshwa ngeke azazakholwa. Uzothi what happened? I'm just like hayi ngeke guys, uMotoso didn't do the right thing la. Ngeyingane izinto nje guys ayizenza iy'nganeni, I used to report ngalike sikhona la lo baba lo. Ekekho right, is done stuff ofile ukuthi hawu waziwa ngekho right umuntu, and uzenza kanjani lezi zinto ey'nganeni umuntu babhizi papa bebebhizi nalapha outside court. Ngathi ubaba ukhohlakala kanje babakho njengoba lokhu busy papa outside court. Izinto ezenza ey'nganeni ey'controla futhi lezi ngane bathi noma ey'bona bathi khona akayibona ime ne-boyfriend yayo wathi wena iwe nowami wena. Is there anything like that smart guys? Owami makwenze njani ingane like iy'mele like futhi chances are mhlawumbe umuntu abafunda naye, it's 16-year-old guys. Badla ice cream wathi wayimemeza ingane wayidonsa bathi wena yey you are mine. Cabanga guys, hayi lo baba besile lo baba bekhohla bathi icontrol efonela ingane eyitshela izinto emafonini ehlebela wayibrainwash exactly like how I said it last week, like the people who were outside this whole time supporting him, the ushers zasesontweni bebegqoke upeach ke and a bit of green outside this time when the judgment was given. Yes, so it's just like what happened to these people? Were they brainwashed guys? Like what's going on? Like the person who screamed inside court window would say what someone was like the people who are helping courts, hey, but the judge is not even finished giving or announcing the judgment. So the ruling soup is when they scream. Immediately after the change, everything has NPA. There's lack around their testimonies and all of that. Yo, wascream omunye ubaba ngathi yo ilo okuleya group le ya brainwashwa yilo baba. Basically. Phela lo baba brainwashile abantu at his church. Futhi abezwa next. And ungacabanga ukuthi mancane baningi kabi. Awukho right wenze ingane izinto. Ungavele nje ubize ingane zakho emhlanga guys. Ubize 2 girls uthi abeze kamereni lakho bese akhumula nje uhlala edindli. Into yakho iphandle bese uthi ayithinto. Into yakho hayibo. How crazy. Those things guys are not right. Lo baba lo ngiyakutshela this week things are gonna change. Uzothi ngasho mark my words. Umuntu before this coming Friday something huge is gonna happen. It's either uzobuyela kubo or uzobuyela ejele, between the two. Ngeke guys. Let me know though what are your thoughts. Mina nje those are my thoughts. Ayikabi. Thank you guys so much for always supporting my channel. Ngithanda over guys. Thank you.